Welcome back, and my name is Yusuf Khan from YK Web Solutions, and today I'm going to show you what is responsive web design and how does it work. Right, first I would like to explain a little bit what is responsive web design. Responsive web design is something which is new technology, and as it sounds responsive, it responds your pages according to your screen size. So today, if you're using like a tablet, mobile phones, widescreen laptops or PCs, right? So what happens sometimes you have to struggle with the content because content goes out from the screen and sometimes you miss your important information. But with responsive web design, everything is fits inside your screen, so you don't have to struggle a lot. All information displays in front of you. It's basically a output, or I would say display technology. It's intelligent because it responds automatically. It doesn't let user to work too much on the screen. Everything is in front of you. So how we do it? So I show you a quick example. This is a simple responsive .html page. I name is responsive actually because I given a title about responsive example. So it has basic structure of HTML like doc type HTML, HTML head, and thing. Yeah, I open it again. Right. So what we do, we simple put first. For example, if I write down a H1, right? First, I show you without responsive how does it work and why we do it. So if we take heading one, yeah, and write down hello world, how are you, Yusuf, and question mark. Now if I load this page, yeah, see, it comes like this. Yeah, and it's not responsive that much because it's not working. It's like an old thing. So what we do, we use simple meta tag, meta name. I will explain you the tag, why, what does it purpose, and what does it mean, right? Viewport, yeah, content is equal to width, width is equal to device width hyphen device width, yeah, and goes into the comma, then comma, and initial scale. We don't have to give it here. It's everything within double quotes. Initial scale is equal to 1.0 and close the tag. Close quotation and then tag. Yeah. If I refresh it, now it becomes responsive. If you go like this, see, so it's responding according to screen size. So if it's a full screen, it comes like this. If screen size is reducing, it's automatically adjusting itself. So it fits to every device. It targets all audiences. If the small and medium-sized business owner develop their website on responsive layout, so it can target all device users regardless their screen size. Yeah. Now I give you another example of image. Before I start, I need to tell you what is meta name, viewport, and all these things, right? So first, the meta viewport elements actually tells the browser, it actually gives the browser instruction that it's responsive. So you need to get ready to fit all the content within the screen size. So this is meta name, viewport is initialize. Yes, it's a responsive layout. Then the content is equal to width Zero device width. So it's simple, nothing. It just follows the width size. What's the width size of the mobile screen? So I have to fit within that screen size. And the another thing is initial scale is equal to 1.0. So what it does is actually initialize the zoom level. For example, if the content are very small and you're using a mobile phone, so it will zoom on when the page will load, so it will zoom the correct size so you can read properly. Yeah, so this is the main function of MetaName viewport, and that's how you see things. Now the second thing is, now I bring the image source is equal to, I already got a file in my folder which is like css.jpg. Yeah, and close it. Right, so it tells it's responsive and it's responding to the h1, but when I load the picture it's not responsive. So if I load the picture and start changing the size, you're missing the picture because it's not responding according to it, despite the fact I already picked the meta name viewport. Why it's not happening? The reason being, you need to give some properties or some attributes to your picture. To give attributes to your picture, what you do, you simple give a style. Yeah, style is equals to width 100%. Simple, and control S. Now when you give width 100%, see, it's automatically fit your screen. Before that it was out of order. So if I start moving it, the more I will reduce my screen size, it will automatically adjust its size. See, so I always enjoy doing this. It's like a game for me, you know. I mean, it's zooming up, zooming out, zooming up, zooming out. So whatever screen size you have, if you're using phone, it will show like this, right? So you're not missing the picture. If you're using a tablet, it will show like this. If you're using full screen, it will show like this, right? Now there is another thing, that why we are using width is equal to 100%. Width is 100%. We can reduce it to 50%. If I do 50%, because sometimes you don't need a full picture, sorry, you don't need a full picture on your page. You have to fit it in the corner or in the column or in the section. Yeah, so you can do like this, so it moved there. So you have to decide how much percent I need to display my picture. Yeah, that's what I do. For example, I have something here, a paragraph or something, so I just displayed 50%, and still it's responsive, because if you go below to this size, it will automatically adjust itself. Yeah, see how small it is now. So it starts zooming up. Now again, the second thing is it is scaled down by sometimes larger original size, because if I do 100%, might be it's not that large in actual fit size, but it's showing like this, right? So you have, if you want to make sure that you want to display your picture of original size, what you do, there is another property which you use, right? And that is right style maximum width. Maximum width 100%. So what you are telling to your browser, that take the 100% size of the picture, make sure it doesn't go larger than this. So it will increase or decrease in a responsive way, but it will not display more than what the actual size is. So if I do this, yeah, right, now you see it's a little bit different and it's still responsive. So it came in actual size. What is the actual size? If you open in the paint.net or Photoshop, that's the actual size of this picture. But if you do, so you define maximum width is 100%, do not exceed more than this. But if you go width 100%. It's like this. Yeah, see, it's a bit larger. See, but it's still responsive. So if you want to define that you want to scale down to the original size and make sure it doesn't go further than this. So this is basic soft responsive design, right? Without using any framework. If you want to use any framework, that's because if you expand your project and you want to make your life easy, so a framework actually save your time because it has ready-made codes. You just have to put down their CSS and start working along with it. But the basic concept of responsiveness is you have to adjust your viewport, content width device, and initial scale, so how to zoom up the content. And if you want to make your picture or image responsive, so that's how you do. Just remember width or max width property. That's it. I hope you like my video. If you like it, please please press button like button, and also subscribe my channel so you can watch some more videos, right? It encourages me to make some more videos. Thank you very much.